Boys and girls, welcome to Hands-on Equations Fractions Level 2. Before we get started, we have some pre-work we need to do in order to be ready for the Level 2 algebra problems. We will be working with integers in this level. Integers are whole numbers that are not fractions, but they can be positive or negative. So you will start seeing negative numbers in this level of Hands-on Equations Fractions. So to begin, just to show you how it looks on the balance, if you are adding an equation such as this one, positive 5 plus a positive 3, it would look like this on the balance. Positive 5, positive 3 equals positive 8. Okay? Now we have a negative 5 plus a negative 3. So now we're going to use the green number cubes. So we have a negative 5 plus a negative 3. And you can see 2 greens is going to equal a green, right? So negative 5 plus negative 3 equals negative 8. Now let's look at this one. If positive 5 and negative 5 go together, they kind of cancel each other out, right? They kind of wipe each other out. And so a positive 5 and a negative 5 is going to give you a 0. Positive 5 and a negative 3. If we have a positive 5 and we have a negative 3, that negative 3 is coming out of the positive 5, and that's going to leave us with a positive 2. Okay? For every 1 and negative 1, we have a 0, right? So for 5, positive 5, it's really like 5 1s, right? And for a negative 3, it's like 3 of these, right? So if you look at it that way, these cancel each other out, so that's 0. This is a 0. This is a 0. And what's left is 2 positive 1s, which is a total of 2. All right, so now we have a negative 5 and we have a positive 3 plus a positive 3. It's going to be the same idea that I just showed you. So if you were to pull 5 negative 1s to show this equation, oh, that is 5, and then positive 3, right? Make your zeros, and you're left with a negative 2. Okay, so these would be 0, 0, and 0. And that's what's left. Okay,